Disturbing reports were released today involving abuse at a group home. At the same time, a new law was signed to help better protect these folks with special needs. The law was created after Dave Savini and our two investigators exposed dangers at one facility and the state's failure to shut it down.
He's in my thoughts every day.
Lois McCann's son, Paul, was brutally beaten for allegedly taking a cookie inside the Graywood Foundation group home. Staff members have been charged with his murder. She blames state regulators for not shutting down the facility, even though there had been 33 cases of Graywood staff accused of abusing residents dating back to 2003. And another resident died at the hands of a staff member.
DHS did not do their job. OIG did not do their job. And because of this, Paul is dead.
The OIG is the Office of the Inspector General for the State Department. New reports raise questions about their investigations. Long before his murder, McCann reported being hit by staff. And on another occasion, he suffered from what appeared to be a broken nose. OIG investigated. Both claims were found unfounded. New reports now find those claims to be true.
If this had been substantiated a long time ago, all these allegations, he may be living today.
These new reports are some of the most disgraceful things I've seen in this very disgraceful episode.
Attorney Sean Collins represents Lois McCann in her lawsuit against Graywood Foundation. He also blames state regulators who had been given an internal report warning Graywood residents were at risk. Yet residents nor their families were warned.
And what I'm disappointed in to this point is there has been no overhaul of the agency.
Well, I'm very disturbed.
After learning about Paul McCann's case, State Representative Greg Harris moved quickly to create a law to force regulators to create triggers and move quickly to shut down problem group homes.
It requires state agencies to take action if there's any report of abuse or neglect. It forces them to do the right thing.
The law was signed today by Governor Pat Quinn.
The law means something, and we need to enforce the law.
I hope that this legislation that was signed today will save many lives.
The OIG report also accuses a Graywood administrator of obstructing criminal investigations into Paul's death, even telling one assailant to create a false report. She's also accused of delaying medical treatment. Graywood has been closed. The statement from the Illinois Department of Human Services says the health and safety of people they serve are a top priority.